We live in the era of technology. Fast cars, trains, planes, medical equipment, smartphones, security systems make our life easier and safer. But how did it all begin? To talk about actions that happened in the past, we use past tenses. There are 4 past tenses in English language. They are past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Let's have a look at the way we form sentences in these tenses. Now let's talk about these tenses in detail. Past simple. 1. We use past simple to talk about actions that happened in the past. We know the time. For example, I went to school yesterday. 2. To talk about actions that took place one after another. For example, I opened the door and heard the phone ringing. 3. To talk about something that was regular in the past. For example, I often visited my grandparents when I was a child. I am not a child now. Time markers. Yesterday, ago, last, in 1953. We use past continuous. 1. To talk about something that was happening at a definite time in the past. For example, I was drawing a picture yesterday at 5 o'clock. 2. To talk about something that was happening but was interrupted by something else. For example, I was washing the dishes when he called me. To talk about several actions which were in progress at the same time in the past. For example, she was reading the book while he was watching TV. Time markers. When, while, as. We use past perfect. 1. To talk about something that happened before the definite time in the past. For example, I had finished my project before 7 o'clock yesterday. I suddenly remembered that I had forgotten my keys at work. Time markers. Before, by. We use past perfect continuous. 1. To talk about something that had been in progress in the past before another action in the past. For example, I had been typing my essay for 2 hours when he came. Time markers. Since, for. A lot of things were discovered in the past. Let's find out what words we can use to talk about these discoveries. Try to guess the meanings of these words. 1. Discover. Find out something new. 2. See. Realize. 3. Sloppy. Irresponsible. 4. Messy. Dirty. 5. Destroy. Damage or make harm to something. 6. Forget. Not remember. 7. Harmful. Dangerous. 8. Recover. Get well. 9. Notice. To see something. 10. Important. Valuable. 11. Experiment. Test. Now, let's have some practice.